Well, from being freezing yesterday morning, it's now back to 8.5. So we're back to topsy-turvy weather. Apparently there's more snow on the way, so it's more cold weather. So we're not escaping. Yesterday it was 11.1 during the day, and overnight it was around about freezing, I think. Certainly out here anyway, 0.3 degrees. Well, there's obviously been more rain overnight. We'll call that 21, I think. 21 millimeters, and I thought it was 13 yesterday. So we've had about 8 millimeters more overnight.